Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your school Chromebook. First, it's important to check if your school's network has any blocks on gaming websites, as this is a common restriction. Next, verify if your Chromebook's operating system allows for new application installations. Many school devices have strict security settings. Finally, ensure your device has at least 4 GB of RAM, which is often needed for a smooth gaming experience. These initial checks will help you understand your device's capabilities. The most straightforward method to play Roblox is often through the Google Play Store. You can usually access this directly from your Chromebook's app drawer. Once inside, simply search for the official Roblox application. If your school's settings permit, you will see an option to install the game. This method provides the best performance and full features, as it's designed for the Android environment. Always look for the official app to ensure security and compatibility with your device. If installing the app isn't an option, don't worry, you might still be able to play. Try accessing Roblox directly through its official website using your Chromebook's web browser. Sometimes, school networks allow web-based games even if they block app installations. Ensure your browser, like Chrome, is fully updated for the best performance and security. While the browser version might offer a slightly different experience than the app, it can still provide hours of fun if the app is restricted. It's important to understand that school Chromebooks often have limited processing power and network bandwidth. This means playing Roblox might be slower or less responsive than on a dedicated gaming device. You might experience some lag or reduced graphics quality. Always remember to respect your school's policies regarding internet usage and software installations. Using school resources responsibly is key. If you encounter issues, it might be due to these limitations, so manage your expectations accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.